Hi everyone. Today we're going to expand on our knowledge of inheritance, but let's start with a brief recap. We've already learned that every living organism is made of cells, and inside these cells is a structure called the nucleus. Inside the nucleus we have chromosomes, and chromosomes are made of DNA and protein. We currently use the Watson-Crick model to describe DNA. Structurally, DNA is a double helix. As shown here, there are two strands of genetic material that are spiraled around each other, hence the double helix name. DNA has a similar structure in all organisms. It is made up of nucleotides. Nucleotides have three main parts: the phosphate group, shown here, the deoxyribose sugar, which is where part of the name comes from, and one of four nitrogen-rich bases. The bases are adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. As shown on the right-hand side here, we have the DNA structure, the double helix that runs down here. We have bases that have paired together, as shown here. If we zoom in on this, we can see that adenine has paired with thymine and cytosine pairs with guanine. Due to their different chemical structures, they can only pair up in one particular way, and this is called complementary base pairing. Weak hydrogen bonds are the bonds that join the base pairs together. Genes are sections of DNA. Each chromosome can carry over 1,000 genes. The differences between these genes are found in the order of bases along the DNA strand. This is important because the order of the bases along the DNA strand is the genetic code. Each gene codes for a specific protein, and proteins control many characteristics and functions in the body. The second thing that influences the difference in genes is the length of the DNA strand. Chromosomes, we have previously learnt, are made of DNA and protein. The image on the right here is a karyotype, and the picture represents the number of chromosomes and their appearance. The cells in the human body each contain 46 chromosomes in 23 pairs, with the exception of the sperm and egg. Pairs are referred to by the numbers according to their size. Other organisms contain different numbers of chromosome pairs in their cells. As you can see on this karyotype here, this person is a male. This is due to him having a chromosome X and a chromosome Y. For the person to be female, it would have to be two X chromosomes. That's the end of today's lesson.